Hello everyone, for this tutorial video, I'd like to explain how you can simplify using u substitution integrals of roots, as well as do a more tricky maneuver of substituting x in terms of u rather than u in terms of x like we have been doing so far. For example, if we are given this integral, we would see the cube root of x minus 3 is a more difficult function, so we would simplify it with u. And we can actually get x in terms of this u by first cubing it to get rid of the root, and then adding 3 to get rid of the minus 3. So the change in x is 3 times u squared times change in u. So we substitute everything in terms of u. Simplify the integral so that it is no longer a fraction. Compute the integral using the power rule, and finally substitute back in the x value we determined for this u. In conclusion, we have figured out a definite answer for the integral. If we are given something times the root, as in this fraction, we would still substitute u only for the parts in the root and ignore the other terms, and then solve for the x and change in x relative to u. Then plug in everything in terms of u in the integral, see that the numerator simplifies, and then use the method of partial fractions, where we see a must be 20/7 and b must be 8/7. And then finally, we do a u substitution with absolute value of logarithm, and plug back in what we derived for u. Now that we have figured out integrals involving roots, we can figure out integrals involving quadratic expressions next. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.